Hello everyone, welcome back with the fourth Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. In this additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday August the 3rd, 2020. And this fourth Sudoku will be number 1277. Yes. And before I start, I always count how many digits are in this puzzle. We have 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 3 is 11, plus 3 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. Alright, so let's get started. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. It's supposed to be here. Same like here in these 2 boxes. Alright. Yeah. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 5. In this big square, we have a 4 and a 5, so no 4 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 numbers should be the 1, the 6, and the 8. We see here 6 and the 8, so 1 digit left for the 1. The 6 and the 8 should be here. Let me mark them for you. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. The 9 should be in these 2 boxes. The 7 could be everywhere, and the 2 could be everywhere. Alright. Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in that box. Here 4, no 4 in this box. So the 4 could be here or could be there. We have a 4 in one of these 2 boxes in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place for the 4 should be there. in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in that box. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 2 and 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 7 goes there. 2 boxes left. These are 6 and 8, so these 2 should be 9 and 7. 9 and 7. We have a 9 here in this row. 2 missing numbers, the 9 and the 1. We have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9, so the 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 8, 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column. The only place for the 7 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes.